right, family. I am currently testing my Samsung microwave. Believe it or not, we had this installed, or we installed it, my son-in-law and I, 5 months ago, 6 months ago. Up until 5 minutes ago, I did not know how to control my power settings. I make this sandwich. The sandwich is, you know I am into saving. I buy this discount bread at Walmart every time I see it, about once a week. These are called, forgive me if I screw up the pronunciation, ciabatta rolls, and they are phenomenal. They crunch up, they get, I don't know, what do you want to call it? Kind of flaky, crispy when you put them in the air fryer for about a minute. So what I do is, I take my egg cooker. I think y'all seen this on the channel a couple of times before. When I used to carry this to work, everybody asked me, was it a bomb? What is a bomb? I don't know. But anyway, fam, I was trying to get my settings right, and I decided to make a video. I put this thing at, the way you set it is you hit whatever minutes you want to cook. So I put 2 minutes in, then I put the power level. Matter of fact, let's cook another egg and I'll show y'all better than I can tell you. Look at that, fam. The perfect freaking egg. I don't want to pour it out. Well, there's no chance of that. Perfect, fam. Alright. Now, the way these things work, if you're not familiar with this egg cooker, and I bought this from the dollar store. I'm telling you, 10 years ago, they were $5 each, and I have about 4 of them. I bought myself 2, and I bought 2 for gifts, and I never gave them away. Alright, fam, so you want to moisten the bottom of this, grab your egg, and the reason the power setting is an issue, I think I'm getting ahead of myself. The reason the power issue is a setting, if you put this is a 1200 watt microwave. If you put that egg in there full power, no matter what kind of egg cooker you're using, it's gonna pop and blow the egg apart. It does it almost every time. So that's why I had to lower the setting. The reason I know it was the settings, we had a 1000 watt microwave at one point and it didn't blow the egg up as bad or as fast. So I knew it had to be the settings. So what I do is, you wanna take the egg, poke a hole in it, put the top on. Gonna put it in the microwave. Now, on the Samsung, and I'm sure the rest of them, some other microwaves have similar ways to change the power setting. I'm gonna put in 2 minutes, hit the power level, then I'm gonna hit 4, which is 40%. 100% would be 1200 watts, 50% would be 600, so that's somewhere around 400, 500 watts, we'll say. And we hit start. And we wait. While we're waiting on that egg to come out perfect, we're gonna take this with some cheese. I like, matter of fact, let's mix and match. Pepper jack cheese is my favorite cheese on the planet. I don't have any pepper jack cheese other than my shredded. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna put a little pepper jack cheese on here. And then we're gonna top that with some American, some regular old cheese. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put them in the air fryer. We're gonna cook that for 1 minute, y'all. Matter of fact, that's on 50 seconds. We're probably gonna make it about 1.5 minutes. We just keep an eye on it. All right, fam, we got 42 seconds. We wait on that egg. How y'all been doing? While we waiting on the egg, let's talk. As of right now, in my last video, I told y'all some of the things I was going to be doing. Matter of fact, it wasn't the last video. The last video y'all saw was the Jeep video. The first video of the year, it did pop just a little bit if y'all heard that. I told y'all some of the things I was going to be doing around the house for the channel. I've already put the gate up, and I think my next move is going to either be my bake bed or I'm going to start working on my table. I went to Facebook Marketplace and I found a guy in Lafayette, Louisiana who makes wooden outdoor fishing tables. 6 foot long, I want to say 2.5 feet wide. 320 bucks, 50 bucks if you have the delivery. I don't know, it has a sink in it, hose hooked up to it, the whole 9 yards. I'm thinking I might go that route versus building one, but we'll see. All right, fam. All right, we got another minute or so on that, on those ciabatta rolls. Now let's check this egg. I think we found the perfect setting, y'all. Oh yeah, baby. Came out perfect again. Boom. Y'all see that? Bring y'all in a little closer. Check that out, fam. Perfection. McDonald's round, if you will. That was the first one I tried to do. I tried it at 40%, 50% at a minute and a half, and that did not work. 2 minutes at 40%. Perfect egg, thoroughly cooked all the way through. All right, fam. Oh yeah. That was about 2.5 minutes. Hit the stop on that. Do I have my mitten? Do I have my mitten? There we go. All right, fam, I don't have any ham or anything, but if I had a slice of ham for my other meat protein source, fam, check it out. Boom. Salt and pepper, a little more pepper jack. We're gonna do this again, but I didn't want to waste this. I was sitting there playing with the microwave, trying to get those settings right, and I thought to myself, why am I not sharing this with the family? Some of them are gonna want to know. Bam, check it out. Woo, that's hot. What mama say? Yeah, mama say, mama star. You're gonna be dumb, gotta be tough, baby. That's upside down, fam. Not really. Check that out. Booyah! Alright, fam. I hope y'all enjoyed this little 2-minute video. I hope y'all enjoyed sharing in my experiment, if you will. Like I said, I'm gonna be rolling the camera a lot more often this year. I'm gonna be dropping more videos than just once or twice a week. I might for a while drop them on the daily and vlog style, if you will. Alright, family, let's bite into this thing. Told y'all that's ciabatta bread. Somebody in the comments, tell me how to pronounce this correctly if you're familiar with this. Ciabatta. Market size ciabatta roll. Best served warm. You got that right. Alright, fam. So we're going to go ahead and bring this little short video to a close. I am going to throw me a little mayo on here. Throw me some mayo on my previous eggs for my experiment. And we're going to go sit in the back room, watch a little YouTube, and enjoy ourselves. Family, if y'all enjoyed this quick down and dirty video, if y'all like this quick 4 or 5 minute video style, give your boy a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. We will see you in the next one. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.